Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my talker. It helps me speak December 11th, 2024.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mel's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Christmas haul unboxing. Okay, so here's the Christmas bag. This is 1 out of 2 presents. And okay, so this is the first present. It's a Squishmallow cat. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, it's a little polar bear.
Thank you.
Aww. It came in this little thing. This little container. And it's a little polar bear. And does he have a name? Oh, his name is Brooke. Or her name is Brooke. She has a name. She's Brooke. Oh, she was born February 29th, 2024. So she's a few months old. Say hi to Brooke, everybody. Okay. Next present. Next is the advent calendar, and this is how it looks. This is one of Mel's favorite Christmas presents, an advent calendar. And the first little box. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? It says it's from DIOR. Mel, it's from DIOR. Guys. Time to unbox this mystery. Ready? This is how it looks. How it looks. It's in another container. Guys. Oh! Wow. It's a little perfume. Do you wear perfumes like that? It's a little DIOR perfume. And it has the DIOR logo on top.
No.
You don't wear perfumes like that. Like, how do you even... Guys, is this gonna... Yo, Mel, how do you do this? Wait, I'm actually so confused. No, I'm actually so confused. Is it not usable? Oh, it can't spray. So you actually have to open it. That smells so good. That's it. Smell it. Do you like it? Do you like it? We're gonna talk about this. This is it. It's in a pretty pink color. So that's the first gift. Time for the second one. Which one should we do? Should you do this one? Oh, yeah. Okay. We're opening up the door. And there's no way. These are that. And inside Another Dior product, girl. Where are you getting these from? Okay, let's unbox this one. This is the packaging. It says Dior Addict Lip Glow. Oh. Oh. It's pretty. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Tell me they don't all have the same case. Like, literally, these two look alike. What are these? They look alike. Okay. Oh my gosh, help. What is it? Yo. Boom. It's lipstick. What? Oh, look at that color. That like matches your lip color. Do you want me to apply it on you? No? Okay. But that's such a pretty color. Look at that. Wow. Okay, putting it back. Second Dior product. What's that even Dior? Dior's gotta sponsor somebody here. Okay. Third. Okay, this is another Dior product. I'm actually so done. Okay. What should be another Dior product? Okay, this one looks suspicious. Okay. It's a little bit sketchy. It's another Dior product. It's another Dior product. Okay. All this bubble wrap. This is the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see that well. But it says Dior. Rouge Dior. Okay. I'm skeptical about this one. Oh, but I feel like the thing with Dior is that they always come through with packaging. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at... It has a little Dior. I don't know if you guys can see that even. Can the camera pick that up? Maybe not. Guys, y'all need to see this. You guys need to see this right now. It's like a little Dior symbol. If we can, we'll insert pictures all over the screen, but that's how it is. A Dior lipstick in a beautiful shade. Where's it? Oh, right here. Putting it back. Beautiful. So now we've got 3 Dior products. Suspicious, but okay. The next one. Oh my gosh, where's it? Oh my gosh. This is another Dior. Actually, done. Oh, yo, bro. It's another Dior product. Literally, look at that. It says Dior right on the thing. Okay. Unboxing it. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I think it's that pink perfume from Dior. Anyway. This is literally another Dior. Now, what's with you and Dior? Okay. I don't know how to open this, but... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Time to unbox. Dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. Wow. Look at that. It's a miniature of the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Wow. And does it like? No, so you're gonna open it. It's one of those where you gotta apply it like by... it smells good too. It doesn't have a little spray one, just as the other ones didn't either. But yeah. What do you think? We're still not done. We have to finish the video. No, editing tomorrow. We can edit the whole thing tomorrow. Trust. We'll show you guys a big haul at the end of all the DIOR products. No, not. Next unboxing. Oh. Done. I'm not even gonna look this time. Oh, is this like specifically DIOR or something? What is this? What is this? Literally, what is this? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. It's another lip glow. Like, it's another lip glow. Okay. Opening. Oh, this is a different shade, I guess. Oh. It's a different shade. That's all it is. This is, if you guys know the shade of this one, this is in the shade 004 Coral. Literally, it's all DIOR. It's literally all DIOR. Next. Ooh. These two feel so heavy. Oh, this one. Oh. It's literally DIOR. Oh my. Guess what it is, guys? Well, take a wild guess. Take a wild guess. Dun dun dun. This is literally gonna be the same thing, just in a different shade, guys. Yes. It's again DIOR Rouge. This is lipstick. This is lipstick. Let's open this up. Whoa, look at this. Dun dun. Wait, now this one's not opening, guys. Oh, okay. Guys. This one is, oh. It's literally the same thing. It's the same color, same everything. This one, they didn't even try to change the color. And this one, again. This one is in the shade Rouge DIOR 999, if you guys want to get it. So, yeah. We're sponsoring DIOR right now. They made this so they can sponsor DIOR, guys. Or should I start here? I think I should start here. It's so tricky. Oh my, it feels better this time. What should be another perfume? Literally. What is this? Oh my gosh. This one is another DIOR product. This is the Suave spray. This is like the classic. No, I think this is a cologne actually. It's not a spray. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. That's a Sauvage DIOR perfume. Has a DIOR thing. Again, with this one too, you gotta put it like physically. I don't know if I like that one. Your reactions are so funny. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that's the other DIOR product. What are the other two DIOR products gonna be? I wonder. This one. Oh, maybe this isn't DIOR. Oh my gosh, it's not Dior! Oh wait, no, wait, no, guys, it's Dior. It's still Dior. Dior, right down there. So I'm just gonna accept that the last one is gonna be Dior. Okay. I wonder what this Dior product is gonna be this time. This is more perfume. How do you try to say? Anyway, this is the perfume. I don't know how to quite open. Oh, you open this like here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh! Look at that beauty. Wow. It looks like a vase, like a vase. Wow. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. And opening. The whole thing comes off, like. And you're left with this amount. Guys, it smells like all the other Dior perfumes. Guys. Okay, I'll give it to Dior. Their packaging is very pretty. It's just maybe switch up your scents a little more. Maybe. Guys, take a wild guess right now. So I'll find out what this next Dior product is gonna be. Yo, I was so excited for the last one, thinking it's not gonna be Dior. Yeah. You guys get to witness this one. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna, like, I'm just not gonna. Ready? Oh. This is more perfume. No, not perfume. This is lipstick. You know? Who doesn't need a whole 30 lipsticks from Dior? Who doesn't? Okay. This is a lipstick. Oh my gosh, literally the same. This is the last lipstick from Dior. Same color again. Oh! Oh! Oh. This is in the color 999 again, so yeah. I'll give you guys a picture. So, yeah. This is all the Dior products. Last but not least, we have a second Christmas present. Second and last Christmas present. It is a big thing. That's
holidays.
oh whoa.
Treat.
Whoa.
Thank you.
This is the finishing product of the tree. It looks so beautiful.
Thank you to Matthew and Kay for the Advent calendar and the Christmas tree. Have an amazing Christmas season. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Don't miss the next video.
Bye everyone.